Hi everyone, this is Glennis and I'm a coach in writing, reading, and speech assistance. And in this short video, I'm going to walk you how to make a GoReact appointment for your practice speeches in WRSA. So you've posted your practice speech in GoReact if your class is using GoReact. And you know members of your peer review group or your instructor will probably be giving you feedback. But did you know that you can take a couple more steps and get a coach's feedback on your speech as well as extra credit if your instructor is offering extra credit for this kind of coaching? To do this, you need to navigate to WRSA's homepage, Writing, Reading, and Speech Assistance. You can make an appointment by clicking on that green rectangle in the lower right-hand corner that says Learn More. Here, you can register with us if you have not already done so. It is a quick and painless process. And we have a couple ways of learning how to do this. They can be found here in a PDF with screenshots and full instructions for how to make appointments. Or you can watch this 7-minute video tutorial that also explains how to register and also how to make appointments. And if you have questions, you can also email us at WRSA, WRSA @cod.edu. Once you've registered, you will go back to this page to log in with your email address and password. And you want to stay on the default schedule, which is online coaching for fall 2020. When you log in, this is what our scheduler looks like. What may be a little confusing is that this is the schedule for our live online appointments. But when you schedule a GoReact appointment, you do not need to show up. You don't need to be on the other side of a camera at your computer at the time of the appointment. Your speech in GoReact will take the place of your presence online. Once you click on a box to make an appointment, this is the form that you will need to fill out. You'll notice there are 45-minute appointments. You make these at the top of the hour. If you notice the red arrows at the bottom, it says type of appointment, and here's where you're going to let the coach know what kind of appointment you want to make. You click on the caret to the far right to reveal the drop-down menu. And you'll see that GoReact is right there in the middle. If you hover on it and click on it, you will be letting the coach know that this is the kind of appointment you are creating. Now, the other two crucial pieces of information are at the top of this form. We need to know your instructor's name, and we need to know the course number and the section number. Your instructor may be teaching 2 or 3 sections of Speech 1100, and we need to know which section to look in order to find your speech. So if you filled out your instructor's name, the speech course number and section number, the type of appointment, we also ask you to basically give your speech a title. And this can be really the type of speech that you are doing, whether it's an informative speech or a persuasive speech. Oops. And then at the bottom, there's a space for you to let us know what kind of feedback you would like us to give to you on this practice speech. This is pretty important. It helps coaches manage their time and give you the kind of feedback that you want. And so you can basically guide us to the places in your speech where you would like us to pay attention to, whether you feel like you want us to give you feedback on transitions or on your presentation, your visuals, whatever it is, let us know here. And then before navigating away from this page, you want to make sure that you click that blue rectangle at the bottom left that says Create an Appointment. This seals the deal and saves the appointment in our scheduler. If you have done everything correctly, you will get a green rectangle at the top that looks like this, that says that you have successfully created an appointment and saved it. Here you can see the course, the instructor's name, the course number and section number and the type of appointment, GoReact. Then watch for a thank you email from your coach verifying that your practice speech has been coached. Once you receive the email from our coach, you will find your time-stamped feedback in GoReact, just like your peers and your instructors. You can forward this thank you email to your instructor as proof of extra credit if you are getting extra credit for it, or you can obviously use the feedback from the coach, and if you have questions about that, you can always make an online appointment with the coach to ask them further information about what they've said about your speech. Questions? Please reach out to us at WRSA@cod.edu or visit our website. Here is the link, you can take a picture of it, of our PDF on instructions for creating GoReact appointments. We do have a phone number, but we're not always looking at that phone or answering those questions. So it's better if you email us if you have questions. Thank you very much. We look forward to seeing your speeches.